Welcome to the Remarkable N. Today we will be making a delicious hot cocoa cake. If you don't catch everything, don't worry. The recipe is in the description below the video. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 350 F175C. Grease and flour 3/8-inch round. 2. For the cake, in a large bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. 3. In another bowl, whisk together buttermilk, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. 4. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. 5. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared pans and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 6. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. 7. For the frosting, in a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and powdered sugar until light and fluffy. 8. Add the cocoa powder, coffee, heavy cream, and vanilla extract and beat until smooth and creamy. 9. For the marshmallow filling, in a saucepan, heat the marshmallow fluff and water over low heat until melted and smooth. 10. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream with the espresso powder if using until stiff peaks form. 11. Gently fold the whipped cream into the melted marshmallow mixture. 12. To assemble the cake, once the cakes are cool, level them if necessary. Place one cake layer on a serving platter and spread with a layer of marshmallow filling. 13. Top with the second cake layer and spread with another layer of marshmallow filling. 14. Place the third cake layer on top and frost the entire cake with the hot chocolate buttercream. Frosting. 15. For the optional ganache, heat the heavy cream in a saucepan until simmering. Pour the hot cream over the chopped chocolate in a bowl and let sit for 5 minutes. Stir until smooth and glossy. 16. Drizzle the ganache over the top of the frosted cake. 17. Refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours before serving. Tips: for a richer chocolate flavor, use dark chocolate for the ganache. You can also add a layer of chocolate ganache between the cake layers instead of the marshmallow filling. If you don't have strong brewed coffee, you can use brewed espresso or instant coffee dissolved in hot water. To make the cake ahead of time, you can bake the layers and freeze them for up to 2 months. Thaw them overnight in the refrigerator before assembling the cake. Enjoy your delicious and festive hot cocoa cake. Remember, detailed instructions are in the description below.